Want to build a powerful image classifier in minutes? Let's do it with transfer learning. We're using MobileNet v2, a model pre-trained on millions of images.
The magic of transfer learning is we don't start from scratch. First, we freeze the pre-trained layers to preserve their knowledge. Next, we remove the original classification head and add our own small custom layers just for classifying cats and dogs.
Now let's jump into the code in my Kubeflow lab. After installing the dataset,
We load the MobileNet v2 base, set trainable to false to freeze it, and add our new classification head.
we compile the model and kick off the training. Since we're only training a tiny fraction of the parameters, this is incredibly fast. And after just a few epochs, training is complete.
The results are fantastic. Our model achieves over 98% validation accuracy.
Look at it go. Correctly identifying cats and dogs with high confidence.
Want to see the full code, explore the architecture, and try it yourself?
Check out the complete detailed guide on my blog. Link in the description,